consequences are there. And mercury, again the same. Lead, mercury, lead and mercury.
What is lead?
EM අහලා තියෙනවද සිංහල? EM.
Oh, sir.
Yes. Then barium. Barium is also, yes, you can ask the question.
Barium
Yes, it is not good. So it weakening its muscle weaknesses, swellings, brain swelling, damage to heart can be there because of barium. So these are different materials, right? Different substances, materials, or chemical. You can think like chemicals.
What is the meaning of stainless?
Sorry?
Stainless.
Cannot hear you. Can you repeat? Can you repeat? Yes? Sorry? Lung cancer. Pilika. I thought you came for single medium class, no? Abhinu?
Yes, sir.
It was there in single medium lesson. Right? So please refer to the single medium book, right? Because the translation thing, I don't think, so you can just refer to the single medium book, because anyway, singular terms and everything are there in single medium book. If you want the translation part, this is not the time to do the translation, right? Because so I can explain, but the thing is translation, the word by word translation, you can refer to the single medium note. Same book, single medium note, you have the translation.
Sorry, sort of waste inside.
Sorry?
Sorry, sir, to waste in time.
Yeah. So I think it's sometimes it's not really required, no? Because the thing is, it's already there in here, no? Here, same thing is there, right? So please refer to that for the translation. Same thing here, you can see singular word is there in singular medium. So better, if you have difficulties in the words, better come to the both classes and please note these things in singular medium class. Then come to the English medium one, then you can quickly understand that. Okay, so right, let me move. And so these computer wastages or this hardware, basically after using, so do not throw this away, because that is not good. Why we are throwing this away? Because most of the time we need to update our machine. Most of the students, I have seen that most of the students, you want to buy the newest one. You don't like old one. Maybe if your mother or father suggesting you to buy this machine is good and all, you might tell that him, oh, no, this is not good because this is old. This came in year 2016, but there's a new one in the internet. I saw it came in 2020. Let's buy that. So you'll always go for the newest one. But when you update in machine so frequently, that means 2018 also you buy a machine. You bought a machine in 2018, and 19 you bought another machine, and 20 you bought another machine. Then what will happen? So you are collecting electronic garbages, electronic wastages.
Yes.
Right? That is really, really not good, because it's ultimately damaging entire human beings, entire human society. So it's not really good, because it's not just damaging the human beings. It's damaging animals, plants, and the environment. That is really, really bad. And so here you can see the harmful substances. So these are harmful substances: lead, barium, mercury. Yes, Tisal, do you have a question to ask? You raise the hand, Tisal.
No, sir, sorry.
So these are the substances. So please remember the wordings: lead, barium, mercury, and beryllium. These substances are cancerous. Cancerous means pilika karaka, right? Cancerous, and it giving you kidney diseases mostly. අයියර අනුරාධපුර පැත්තේ එතකොට ඒවා තියෙන්නේ මොකක්ද හේතුව? What's the reason? Are they using electronic garbage or something else? It's because the chemicals, fertilizers, පොහොර පාවිච්චි කරනවනේ ඒගොල්ලෝ. Most of these fertilizers, chemicals, it contain things like lead, barium, beryllium, mercury. Even those chemicals are with those kind of substances. That's why it's damaging the people kidneys. Most of the people in those areas regularly reported with these kidney diseases. And I got to know in one research, one lady, I cannot remember the university, she has tested they have tested fish cultivation in this Kalani river. Right? They found that there are some sediments. එහෙම නැත්නම් ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ අර ඇඟේ මාළුන්ගේ ඇඟේ තැම්පත් වෙලා තියෙනවා කියලා ඒගොල්ලෝ හොයාගෙන තිබ්බා. These kind of substances. මේ වගේ බැරලෝහ කියලා කියනවා අපි මේවට. බැරලෝහ කියන්නේ ඒවා හානිදායකයි වගේම ඒවෙන් අපේ කියන්නේ ඒවා සාමාන්‍ය විනාශ වෙන්නේ නැහැ. එක්කෙනෙක්ගෙන් ඊළඟ එක්කෙනාට යනවා. දැන් ඕගොල්ලෝ දන්නවද ආහාර දාම දන්නවද ඔයගොල්ලෝ? Food chains?
Yes, sir.
දන්නව නේද?
Yes, sir.
සාමාන්‍යයෙන් දැන් අපි මාළුන් ආහාරයට ගන්නකොට ඔව් මාළුන්ගේ තියෙන මේවා මේ ඒ substances when it's there in the fishes it will come and deposit in our kidneys. අපේ ඇවිල්ලා ඒවා sediment deposit වෙනවා. හරි. ඒ මාළුන්ට ඒවා ඉන්නේ කොහෙන්ද? මාළුන්ට ඒවා ඉන්නේ මේ ගංගා වලට එන වතුර වලින්. වතුර වලට ඒවා ඉන්නේ කොහෙන්ද කියලා බැලුවොත් because of these electronic garbages as well as fertilizers. So main source is fertilizer, but nowadays the newest trend is these electronic garbage. Wait. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
There was a power issue and that's why. And there was a disconnection and now it's okay. Seems. Right, okay. So then, there are three things that you should do regarding these electronic garbages. There are three things you can do regarding this electronic garbages. Number one is reuse. Whenever possible to use the equipment, better use it. Let's say you have old computer, but you bought new computer. If you can give that old computer to someone who can use it and benefit, and that particular person will get the benefit of it. So please try to reuse. This is called 3 R's. This system is called 3R. Reuse, reduce, and recycle. Reduce means don't frequently change this. Don't change these things frequently. Right? Don't change your computer frequently. Don't change your mouse frequently. Don't change your monitor frequently. Try to reduce the usage of these things. If you have computers, if you have one computer, don't go and buy another computer without any reason. So try to reduce it. And the recycle. That is most important thing. Recycle means you can recycle all the materials which are used to create the computers. Right? So recycling. Right, okay. Recycling means, so you can recycle the materials that you have used to create the computer. All the fundamental things like plastic, iron, maybe those kind of substances like lead, mercury can be recycled and taken back. But the thing is, you can't recycle this. You have to give this to a proper company to recycle this. You can't do the recycling part. So better write down this. So 3 things: reuse, reduce, and recycle. These are called 3 R's. Reuse, reduce, and recycle. Right? Those are the 3 R's.
Excuse me, sir. How do they recycle computers?
Okay, I'll add the video. I have already downloaded the video, but the thing is, I cannot show you that now since our time is over and my connection is really not good. So what I can do, I can upload a video of recycling plant to your Ed module, right? Then you can, yes, then you can.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Up to page number 22, you will get questions in the examination. So please go through up to page number 22. After 23, so we will discuss in the new year, right? And please please book the practical if you have not done. Also, please fill the registration form. Okay. With that, today we are going to stop, and I'll upload the video to Edmodo. And
Thank
next
you,
day
sir. Bye,
or
sir.
next year, we can.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Okay, bye. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.